How's it going, everybody? Doyle here from Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today, I'm talking about the 2023 Starcraft Autumn Ridge. This is the 28 BHS. Let's get into it. The 28 BHS has an unloaded vehicle weight of 6,165 pounds, a carrying capacity of 1,435 pounds, in total for a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,600 pounds. It's 33 feet, 10 inches long, 11 feet 1 inch tall, 8 feet wide, and 11 feet wide with the slides out. It comfortably sleeps 8. First thing you notice about this RV is how spacious and comfortable it is. This is due to the 6' 9" ceilings, pleated blackout nightshades for beautiful views during the day, and privacy and darkness whenever you need it. 15,000 BTU AC that'll keep you cool and comfortable in any climate. And this vent that you can pop in and out for airflow and ventilation whenever you need it. Residential vinyl flooring throughout and flush floor slide makes for easy cleanup and makes it kid and pet friendly. You're never going to have to worry about any carpet stains. In total, throughout this RV, there are 18 pocket screwed lumber core hardwood cabinets and 7 drawers, which are extremely sturdy and give you tons of storage space. Press membrane kitchen countertops with a residential high-rise kitchen faucet and a deep sink. 3-burner range with a glass cover and a 17-inch oven with a microwave up top. 2-door Norcold fridge. And a U-shaped dinette that easily converts into a bed that can comfortably sleep 2. And right up front, 4 more cabinets with 4 shelves. Heading into the bedroom, 60-inch by 80-inch residential queen bed, which easily lifts to offer hidden and open storage space for blankets or anything else you want to bring along for the journey. Two more cabinets with mirrors on the front, overhead storage, and a nightlight. And on each side, there is a wall outlet. And on the far side, there's a pop-up USB charger. So you can charge multiple electronics at once and still have them on hand. Right up there, prepped and ready to go for a TV. And this slide-out door for privacy whenever you need it. Coming back out here, jackknife sofa that converts into a bed that can comfortably sleep 2 as well, which faces the entertainment center, prepped and ready for a TV with storage below and above, stereo system with AM, FM, and Bluetooth, and even more storage on the side. Double bunks right here. On the bottom, window, light, wall-mounted outlet, and some storage. And up top, you also have a light, window, wall-mounted outlet, and also wall-mounted USB for charging and storage. Heading into the bathroom, plastic foot flush toilet, shower with a 12-volt exhaust fan, and a sink with a cabinet below and a medicine cabinet above. The Autumn Ridge has the Magnum roof system, which is reinforced crown truss roof rafters with 3/8-inch fully walkable roof deck. Strength tested up to 4,500 pounds, which which is up to 50% stronger than the competition. It also has thermal seal, which has a heated and enclosed underbelly, and a one-piece seamless PVC roofing membrane, which is low maintenance, weather, tear, and puncture resistant, and has solar reflectance. This helps you stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter, and extends the length of your camping season. Unlike many competitors who screw from the bottom of the floor, Starcraft bolts all the way through the floor and the full width outriggers. That's a 5/8 inch main floor decking with quality materials and attachment. You're never going to have a soft and bouncy floor with a Starcraft. Up top, 18-inch power electric awning with LED lights. 2 marine grade outdoor speakers. Up top there's also rain guttering with molded drip spouts, so the rain flows out here and nowhere else. And the door side pass-through storage with magnetic baggage door catches. With tons of storage space underneath and a light. On to the front side, Starcraft name on the front. Hitch with a dry hitch weight of 760 pounds. Elegant storage with 2 bottles, and an electric tongue jack. Off door side pass-through storage. And the one and only slide with the Autumn Ridge name. Over here is the docking station and the detachable power cord with 30 amp service. Manual stab jacks, so you can always have your arms stabilized. There's 4 total on here. And on the back side, you got your spare tire, and it's already prepped for a rear camera. Coming along right here, you have more storage. A drawer, a light and an outlet, and a fridge.
Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and a comment. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you're subscribed. Next time, we're doing the Starcraft Superlight Max 17 MDS. You're definitely not going to want to miss that one. If you want to check out our website, come to premierrv.com or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. I'll leave that address in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time.